Hello everyone, welcome to the new video from the series Python for Data Science. In this video, we will see what is NumPy. We know there is a concept in Python, or rather a data structure, that is a list. What is a Python list? A Python list is used to store a group of elements together in a sequence. So, to perform operations on the list, we need to iterate through that list. Consider a scenario where we have a student marks of 5 subjects stored in a list named as student marks. Now suppose 10 marks need to be awarded to each subject. So here, to perform operation on the list element, we need to iterate through the list using a for loop. See, here we have used a for loop in which, using a loop variable I, we can access each and every element from this list and add 10 marks to each subject, right? So in this way, for accessing each and every element, we can make a use of a for loop. So can you see any drawback of storing data into the list? There are some drawbacks. For example, we need to make a use of loop to access each and every element from the list. Then the code becomes lengthy and it will become computationally expensive with the increase in the size of the list. See, in the previous lecture we have seen that data science is a field that utilizes scientific methods and algorithms to generate insights from the data. So we need to deal with lots of data daily. So the data science deals with the large amount of data. Operating on such data with lists and loops, it will become time consuming and computationally expensive. So what is the solution for this? Yes, there is a solution for this. We can use a Python library known as NumPy. So what is NumPy? It is numeric Python. It is a general purpose array processing package. What is NumPy? It is a general purpose array processing package. It is a Python library that is used for numeric and scientific operations. So to perform these numeric and scientific operations, we need some data structure to store our data. So in NumPy, the data structure used in NumPy is the ND array, or we can say n-dimensional array. It is a multi-dimensional container of the elements of the same type as shown here. It can easily deal with matrix and vector operations. Now why it is important to use NumPy? So with the increasing size of the array, the NumPy can perform parallel operations. Also, NumPy has many optimized built-in mathematical functions. These functions helps in performing variety of complex mathematical computation faster and with very minimal code. Another great feature of NumPy is that it has multidimensional array data structures that can represent vectors and matrices. This can be useful as lot of machine learning algorithms rely on matrix operation. So, in the next video lecture, we practically see how to create NumPy object, what are different attributes of NumPy object, and how we can access the element of NumPy object. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.